Hi.
Hi.
Can I have these glasses?
Those will be like $100 because they're very expensive from like Gucci.
Oh.
You guys stink.
What about
Oh, well, you're poor.
These-
So I have something on the poor menu. I have
Well, what is
this.
how much is that?
It's $1.
That's expensive.
Ugh. Okay. 50 cents.
Okay. I'll take that.
All
Here.
right.
Thank you.
Hi.
Bye.
She was weird.
I know, right? Oh God. Okay there, little buddy.
Hi.
Hello. How may I help you today?
I was wondering if I could get this bow.
The pink one, I will cost $2.
Oh, that's nothing. Here you go.
Thank you. Come again.
All right.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. She was nice.
Yeah, she was.
I bet she'll look adorable in that bow. Hi.
Hi.
I would like this hat.
Want the hat?
Mhm.
Okay. That will be $5.
Okay.
Sorry.
Here you
Sorry, Lana. Here.
Ow.
Never mind. She fired. She's fired.
Bye.
Bye. Where's my money?
Oh, I gave you it.
Oh.
LeBron James.
What'd you say?
I said, can I return this hat? It doesn't fit.
No. No, you can't.
I guess I'll just give it to my friend as a birthday present.
Do you want anything else?
No, that's all for today.
Okay.
Bye.
Have a nice day. God, my nails are so freaking ugly.
Oh, hi, Jayla.
Hi, Freda.
This jacket's really cute.
That's $2.
Here you go.
Welcome.
Yee! I can't wait to try this on.
To the restroom. Oh wow, that fits you perfectly.
Thank you.
Welcome.
My neck is stiff.
Are you about to break your neck?
Yeah, it's kind of hard. It's stiffening my neck.
Okay, you can return that one then. I know I just said you can't return items, but I'm gonna be a nice person to Veretta.
Bye.
Bye.
Man, that was small.
That's what she said.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Ow.
So, how's the business going?
It's going good.
Nice.
Do you want to get hired?
Sure.
Okay. Ow. Freaking fat fingers. So this is Luke. I'm Jayla.
And welcome to our shop.
Welcome to our show that will be
AKA
filming.
also our house.
Yes. They're still making out. They're sleeping. We're making a business, and she fell off the bed while
And they're
Amber was
making
using
out.
the toilet. Daisy has died,
And they're making out.
and they're making out. Brandon, Violet are.
Because they're dating.
Yeah. They're not
And
gay
she's
no
just
more.
sitting on a chair.
She's just sitting. I just said she's using the restroom, but nobody's using the restroom. She's just sitting on a chair.
What? There's a sign that says no ostriches? That was rude. Or will. He will eat you. Time to go get some girl clothes. These are all girl clothes.
Are you a boy?
Yes. Does it have a boy selection? What
no.
is that?
That's,
A sweater?
yes, sweater. I don't think that's a sweater, but we'll just go with it.
Oh my god, that's fabulous. Can I buy this?
Yes, you can. Wait, are you a little kid?
No.
You just look like one.
Oh, so now you're judging my dwarfism?
I'm sorry. Oh, you landed. Gerald.
How much do I pay for this?
Gerald and Jerry are brothers.
I don't know where Jerry is. Mom?
No, it's Gerald and Billy.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's fine.
How much will it be?
It will be, that's only $3.
Oh, here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice one.
Come on, Gerald.
Stay tuned for part 2.